What's up, folks? We have a major announcement as far as Amazon merch goes. At least in my opinion, this one is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait for them to actually add more options. So, looking at the dashboard here, it says the Comfort Colors heavyweight t-shirts, performance polo shirts, and performance quarter zip tops are now available in the US for select content creators based on account productivity. So when your account is enabled, options to select these new products will become available on the Create page. Please download our updated product templates to view the artwork placement and see our royalties page rate for details. So I'm just going to command click this, and then we can check out the royalties page. So t-shirt examples, purchase price. Does it say anything about standard t-shirt, long sleeve, pullover hoodie, sweatshirt? I see the prices for mugs have been added here, but I don't see the prices for the Comfort Colors yet. So let's just go into the dashboard and see if I have them. And there they are. Let's check this out. So we have black, white, deep blue, plum, purple tie-dye, gray tie-dye, dark gray, which is cool. I hope they add pepper in there. Raspberry red, pink, beige, and blue tie-dye. So a couple of cool options. Definitely, a deep blue here actually looks really nice. It's almost like a denim blue. I have not seen the plum, but the dark gray is cool too. I like it a lot. Beige, I think, is going to work for so many designs. Even if you're using something like ChatGPT, how it has its own kind of natural beiginess to it, it feels like it would do really well with like tone-on-tone type designs here. So I'm stoked to see this stuff. Deep blue looks really good if you start using like a dusty royal, like a muted royal blue or a muted navy a little bit. Something that isn't super vibrant and saturated. You want to just kind of, mute the tones a bit. But let's check the pricing here. So the base price for this is $21.99 with a $3 royalty. So, okay, so it'll allow you to go to $16.99. Oh, it'll allow you to price even lower. So let's find our base price here. Let's try 80. Let's try 74. So $17.71 is the lowest possible royalty at a penny, and then $17.70 is zero. So $17.71, and it goes up a penny up until we hit a couple bucks here for the $3. That was their default setting. I think that's actually not a bad price. I would like to see a higher royalty. So how much do I have to charge? So it's going up by 70 cents every dollar. So another 70 cents, another 70 cents. I would probably price mine at this, $24.99 for my $5.10 royalty. I think I would do that all day. Customers are also getting free shipping and Prime, so a $25 t-shirt for something that looks awesome and is printed on a Comfort Colors would be amazing. So let's see if I got any of the other things here. So we got long sleeve sweatshirt, pullover hoodie, zip hoodie, iPhone case, tote bag, tumbler, throw pillow. So nothing new at all other than the Comfort Colors. So I don't have mugs yet, which is nuts. I still don't have any of the other things they spoke about, but I am stoked that I have the Comfort Colors. This is going to be a great one for me and the style of designs I do. So yeah, super cool. Check your dashboards. Let me know down below if you have them or not and what products you're actually looking forward to. See you soon.